Hi, I'm Olukemi. I'm excited to have you here again. Let us take a look at this JAMB Physics 2017 question which goes thus. The horizontal component of a force of 120 Newton inclined at 60 degrees to the horizontal is this. Let us quickly take a look at a diagram to depict what we are talking about. So this is the horizontal component force of 120 that is inclined at 60 degrees to the horizontal. Okay, so we have this as 120 Newton, and this we are looking for. This force we don't know, is an unknown force. Okay, good. And this is the resultant force. All right, so from this diagram we can see that we were given the adjacent of this inclined angle and the hypotenuse. So in this sense we are looking at cos theta equals the adjacent, which is fx, represented by fx, then the hypotenuse represented by 120. Of course, we already have the inclined angle, which is 60, so we're going to input that straight away. So we have cos 60 degrees equals the unknown force, the unknown horizontal force, over 120. So now we cross multiply. So we have fx equals cos 60 degrees times 120, and this is going to give us cos 60 degrees is 0.5 times 120, and this will give us a final answer. For punch this into a calculator, 60 Newton. Okay, good. So the answer option C is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.